Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge pool maintenance with the top 5 rated robotic pool cleaners of 2024. Whether you're a pool owner or just curious about the latest tech, you won't want to miss this. From hassle-free cleaning to smart features, these robotic wonders are making waves. Stick around to find out which one deserves a spot in your backyard oasis. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Aiper Seagull SE Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you're tired of spending hours skimming leaves and scrubbing algae, this little marvel might just be your new best friend. Let's explore its features, performance, and why it's making waves in the pool cleaning industry. Body, unparalleled cleaning. The Aiper Seagull SE takes pool cleaning to a whole new level. With its tri-motor design, it effortlessly tackles dirt, leaves, and debris. The dynamic rolling brush ensures a thorough sweep, while the caterpillar tread design lets it climb walls and navigate every nook and cranny. WavePath Navigation 2.0. Remember the Aiper Seagull Pro? Well, the Seagull SE inherits its award-winning WavePath navigation technology and then some. WavePath 2.0 ensures complete coverage of your pool area, leaving no spot untouched. So, while it works its magic, you can focus on perfecting your cannonballs. Versatile cleaning modes. The Seagull SE isn't a one-trick pony. It boasts 4 cleaning modes: automatic, floor, wall, and periodic. Whether your pool needs a quick touch-up or a deep scrub, this little bot has you covered. Just select the mode, kick back, and let it do its thing. Periodic cleaning. Say goodbye to daily pool maintenance drudgery. The Seagull SE's periodic cleaning mode is a game-changer. It operates for an entire week without needing a recharge. Every 48 hours, it dedicates 45-minute sessions to cleaning the pool floor. That's 3 sessions of uninterrupted bliss for you. Superior battery life. The Seagull SE's battery life is like an Olympic swimmer, impressive and enduring. It goes for a whopping 150 minutes on a single charge, covering up to 50 feet of in-ground pools. Plus, it recharges fully in just 3 to 4 hours. No more waiting around, your pool will thank you. Conclusion. So, there you have it, folks. The Aiper Seagull SE Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is a poolside hero. It's efficient, versatile, and gives you more time to enjoy the water. Dive into hassle-free pool maintenance with the Seagull SE. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and splash some love in the comments below. Until next time, happy swimming! Man swimming sweat droplets. Number 4. The Dolphin Explorer E70 Wi-Fi Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, your new pool cleaning sidekick. Body, always connected, convenience. The Dolphin Explorer E70 is all about convenience. With its Wi-Fi connectivity, you can schedule pool cleanings from anywhere, whether you're sipping a piña colada on the beach or stuck in traffic. No more manual labor, let the Dolphin do the work. Storage made easy. Moving and storing your Dolphin is a breeze, thanks to the included universal caddy. Say goodbye to tangled cables. The E70 keeps everything organized, so you can focus on enjoying your pool time. Spotless waterline. Imagine a waterline so clean it sparkles. The Dolphin's powerful technology ensures just that. As it glides along your pool walls, it scrubs away dirt, algae, and grime, leaving your waterline spotless. Effortless filter care. Crystal clear water is essential for a refreshing swim. The E70's user-friendly top-load filter basket makes maintenance a breeze. Just remove debris, and voila, your pool is ready for a dip. The Dolphin Legacy. This isn't just any pool cleaner, it's part of a legacy. With over 40 years of unmatched performance, durability, and cost savings, the Dolphin brand knows how to keep your pool hassle-free. Dive in and enjoy. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks, the Dolphin Explorer E70 Wi-Fi Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. If you're tired of skimming leaves and scrubbing walls, it's time to upgrade. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy swimming! Number 3. The Betta SE Solar-Powered Automatic Robotic Pool Skimmer. Sun with Faceman Swimming, Body, Solar-Powered Efficiency. The Betta SE harnesses the power of the sun to keep your pool sparkling clean. It continuously skims the water's surface, removing pesky debris like leaves, dust, pollen, and even those annoying animal hairs. No more manual scooping, just pure solar magic. Twin salt chlorine tolerant motors. What sets the Betta SE apart? Its patented re-engineered twin salt chlorine tolerant (SCT) motors. These babies drive the propellers directly, ensuring reliability, responsiveness, and energy efficiency. Whether you have a freshwater or saltwater pool, the Betta SE has you covered. Easy maintenance. Say goodbye to pool cleaning headaches. The Betta SE features a spacious fine mesh debris basket, 200 with a convenient top handle. No need to wrestle it out of the water, just dock, open the cover, and empty the basket. Easy peasy, UV resistant, and smart navigation. The Betta SE isn't afraid of the sun. Its UV resistant coating and material protect it from harmful radiation. Plus, it's equipped with 4 water depth bumper rods and ultrasonic radar. Translation? It won't miss a spot, even if obstacles try to play hide and seek. Worry-free warranty. Worried about cables tangling up your poolside vibes? Fear not. The Betta SE comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. So kick back, relax, and let this solar-powered wonder do the dirty work. Conclusion: there you have it, folks, the Betta SE solar-powered robotic pool skimmer. It's time to ditch the manual labor and dive into hassle-free pool days. Number 2. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. If you're tired of spending hours skimming and scrubbing your pool, this little helper might just be your new best friend. Body, wall scrubbing power. The Dolphin Nautilus CC doesn't just skim the surface, it climbs walls like a champ. No matter the shape or type of your pool, this robotic cleaner ensures thorough cleaning. Say goodbye to those hard-to-reach spots. The Nautilus CC has got you covered. Active scrubbing, manual scrubbing? Ain't nobody got time for that. With the Nautilus CC's active scrubbing brush, debris doesn't stand a chance. It's gentle on pool surfaces but tough on dirt and leaves. Your pool will sparkle like never before. Easy filter care. Clear water is essential for a great swimming experience. The Nautilus CC makes it effortless with its user-friendly top-load filter basket. Just remove it, empty the debris, and voila, crystal clear water awaits. Plug-and-play efficiency. Setting up the Nautilus CC is a breeze. Plug it in, drop it into the pool, and hit the power button. In just 2 hours, your pool will be spotless. No complicated installations or confusing manuals. It's as easy as a cannonball splash. The Dolphin Legacy. This isn't your average pool cleaner. The Nautilus CC carries over 40 years of Dolphin's legacy, unmatched performance, durability, and cost savings. Dive into hassle-free pool maintenance and enjoy more time splashing. Conclusion: so there you have it, folks. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, your shortcut to a pristine pool. Don't let cleaning chores keep you from enjoying your oasis. Number 1. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi. If you're tired of spending hours skimming leaves and scrubbing pool walls, this little helper might just be your new best friend. Body, always connected convenience globe with meridians. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi isn't just any pool cleaner, it's your pool's tech-savvy companion. With its Wi-Fi connectivity, you can schedule cleanings from anywhere. Imagine lounging on the beach while your pool gets a thorough scrub down. Yep, it's that easy. Wall climbing wonder manswimming. Say goodbye to algae-covered walls. The Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi is a wall climbing champ. It glides effortlessly up and down, ensuring every nook and cranny is spotless. Whether your pool is kidney-shaped or Olympic-sized, this robot's got you covered. crystal clear water, minimal effort droplet cleaning the filter basket is a breeze. The top-load design lets you easily remove debris without breaking a sweat. And let's be honest, who wants to struggle with a finicky filter? Not us. The Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi keeps your water crystal clear without the hassle. Plug and play simplicity electric plug, no complicated setup here. Just plug in the Nautilus, drop it into the pool, and hit the power button. In just 2 hours, your pool will be sparkling clean. It's like having a personal pool valet, minus the tip. The Dolphin Legacy Dolphin. This isn't some rookie cleaner, it's part of a legacy. The Dolphin brand has been perfecting pool cleaning for over 40 years. Unmatched performance, durability, and cost savings, what more could you ask for? Conclusion. So there you have it, folks, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi. Dive into hassle-free pool maintenance and enjoy more time splashing around. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.